Indices, example 2. You must simplify this expression. It's 4a raised to the half multiplied by, and then in bracket you have a to the 5 halves minus 3a to the 3 halves. State your answer using positive indices. Alright, so go ahead and try. Okay, you paused the video and you went ahead and tried. Now, let's look at it together. You have 4a to the half multiplied by a to the 5 over 2, which is 5 halves. So it's 4a to the, remember, it's going to be a to the half multiplied by a to the 5 divided by 2, or 5 halves, minus a, 4a to the half times a to the 3 halves. So it's 4a to the half multiplied by a to the 3 halves. Alright? Now remember, the reason why I say it's 3 halves, because 3 over 2 is the same as 3 times half. So there are 3 halves here. Okay. Now, you have a number raised to a power. Multiply a number raised to another power. Remember, you add the indices. It's somewhat like when you say a squared multiplied by a cubed. This becomes a times a, that's a squared, times, and then a cubed is 3 of them, a times a. So it's a to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's really a to the 2 plus 3, which is a to the 5. Remember that? Just a quick revision. The reasoning behind adding the two indices. So you're going to add these two indices. So you have 4a to the half, 1 half plus 5 halves, minus, and you have 4a to the, you add the indices, 1 half plus 3 halves. Alright? So it's 4a to the 1 half plus 5 halves gives you 6 halves. 6 divided by 2 minus 4a to the 1 half plus 3 halves give you 4 halves. 4 over 2. So what you have here is 4a to the power of 23, 2 into 6, 3. 4a cubed. Right? Minus 4a to the power of 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, you can factorize. When you have this, this is 4a squared times a, alright? Minus 4a squared. So the common factor here will be the a squared. And the 4. You also have 4 as a common factor. We're going to put the common factors outside the bracket. 4a squared. What do you have inside the bracket? It's a minus 1. So what you have is 4a squared, and in bracket that multiplied by a minus 1. So this asks you to simplify. State your answer using positive indices, not negative indices. Positive. So here, this is what you have.